me these shorts right here. Excuse me. I told you guys be on the lookout for these shorts, because you will see them again. Today in Macy's, we did end up finding a match. Well, it wasn't a match, it was actually something that I wanted to put together with these shorts. I found it on sale. Shout out to Macy's. Oh, shout out to Macy's for having their sale. This hoodie right here has been on my radar for a long time. Y'all know how I am with the Ralph Lauren. My favorite colors combined with Ralph Lauren is navy and red. And I found this hoodie on sale for like $30. Originally, this hoodie retailed for $148, so that's probably $160, close to $170. This hoodie right here. So luckily, I got lucky with that, with this sale at Macy's today and found this. And I was gonna actually pair this right here with these shorts. And I said it was a match because, as you can see, the navy with the red horse right here, same thing to match over here. So I know you guys are wondering next, like, what probably sneakers I'll be pairing these with. I don't really know, but we can make that decision right here. So you guys have seen these navy and red joints for a while, probably the last few videos that I've combined some navy and red. Like I say, I just cannot find like navy and red sneakers for some reason, or I might just do the all white with this lint roll on the bottom of the shoe right here. So we may just do these all white Air Force Ones right here. I don't know, just depending on how I'm feeling. But you guys can do me a huge favor. Down below, make sure you comment what sneakers y'all think I should rock with this outfit. These white Air Force Ones or these navy and red Air Max right here. Like I say, probably go well better with these joints. But I mean, or you know, you can never go wrong with all white Air Force Ones. So with that said, once again, y'all, man, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, checking your boy out. Stay tuned, more videos on the way. I like to say thank you once again to each and every one of you all, because without you all, this channel would not be possible. Thank you. Tune in to the next one.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana Twister, baby girl, just wanna